Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. So today I thought I would give you a quick where is my craft room at since my big clean with me. So um, it's it's okay. It's not where I would like it to be. So this is kind of like by my front door and it's my landing zone. I have my work bag, my track and field bag, people's other belongings to people, my quick grab to go stuff that doesn't belong in here. So this is always like my foam roller, things that don't technically belong in here because they're by my front door. It's where they stay. So I'm going to do a quick tour. I recently posted a video of my new stamp, wood mountain stamp setup. My husband installed another printer tray box for me, and I organized the stamps in a much more cohesive manner, and I absolutely love how they turned out. I am going to do a kind of like a de-stash, get rid of the ones that I know I really am never going to use, and um, that's on my list of things that I need to do. My whole room has to be de-stashed. Okay, so like I do my own dip nails, so I do keep that basket in here because I do them in here because of the natural light that I have. My twine, all of this has pretty much stayed the same. I was able to clear off a little bit of this area because I moved my stamps up there, but for the most part, this has all stayed the same. Everything in my IKEA unit has also stayed the same. I haven't really accessed these much since I cleaned my room last time. I've done some reorganizing in these bins. But yeah, still looking good over there. This, my island unit, still the same. I've kind of keep this area clean. Like this is a haul that I'm getting ready to film, and I film like right here. So that's looking pretty good. This is all the same. I've changed nothing down there. And my big paper racks and my stamps and all those good things, that's all the same. I did pick up this unit and I have not made the room to try and fit it back there. I think it will fit, but I just haven't gotten around to taking care of that yet. Now this area I have not maintained. This is like the basket that I throw my stuff in. Like this was on top of one of these units and it fell off of there somehow. And I was also like testing out if I could fit something really skinny up there to hold those excess things instead of just laying the stuff on top. And yeah, there's some Happy Mail that I received in here, some of my camera equipment, stuff that I have to put away. So this is like a work in progress. And this is all the same. This is where like I keep this is my travel stuff. I was working on a video, so I was using that. Over here, this is stuff that I've purged, and this is just like my to-go basket. And in here is Happy Mail for me to give away, and this is my stuff that I have listed on Etsy. Some trash there. This desk area, I work in here every day. I do my coaching stuff, my actual work. When I get home from work, if I have to check emails, I leave my laptop plugged in here. So this is a functioning, and my planner is back there. So lots of always going on back there, but it's not too bad. I've kept all that the same. That's all my planner stuff. And there's little Winston. He's following me around today because I'm the only one home. My sewing area is the same. All my planner stickers. This area, I use this like my sorting area, and like stuff that I'm getting rid of is up there. This is new stuff that I recently hauled from a yard sale, and I have not had time to put it away. So that's all this stuff to be put away, this to be put away. And I need to like reorganize my washi, which it's on my list of things to do, as well as like my punches, because I've been acquiring a ton of punches at yard sales and I need to like clear them out and put them in like a more functioning order. I want my husband to install rods, see like where that door ends, so the door will slide all the way to there, and just make rods for me to hang, just like this thing, but just the rods up there. My shelves are all the same, looking really good up there, and then my shelves up here. So yeah, I love my craft room so much. Yeah, all these goodies have pretty much stayed the same. I mean, I've been doing so much work in here, but it's hard to see. But it's just making room in a lot of these spaces that are here. This is a new addition to my craft room. I am in love. I'm obsessed. It's this vintage cabinet. I remember my dad having these in his office, and yeah, I'm in love. It has the open, it has mini drawers, it has this big cabinet, and I think what I'm going to do is down here under my desk, these are like vintage supplies. I think I'm gonna like open them and keep my supplies in here for when I do like my junk journaling. So yeah, I'm in love, obsessed, and I mean, it's in the middle of my room. I do have a little bit of walking space. I don't know. I was thinking, should I maybe relocate my Rascog cart and put that here instead and move this into that corner? I'm undecided. I mean, I don't have room for it, but there was no way I was not getting that cabinet. Like, no way. And over here, it's all the same. My stickers, which I would like to purge these, but I love stickers. I don't know if I would be able to get rid of any of them. And specialty papers, my paper pads. Guys, I stopped into Joann's with one of my girlfriends today, and the paper pads were $21.99. $21.99. And these little ones were $7.49. That is crazy. These were like $2.99, $3.99. I'm so glad that I hoarded all these papers, because I'm never going to be able to afford a paper pad again. And I'm sure everybody feels the same way. That's crazy. Craziness. So yeah, so all the things pretty much stayed the same over there. My cart with my washi and my Project Life cards. So yeah, lots of good things going on. My cabinet, some yard sale finds, which I have to film still. So yeah, I mean, my craft room, it's, you know, it's a functioning working space, and I think it looks pretty good considering that I'm in here every single day doing either crafts or planner stuff or work stuff or coaching stuff. And yeah, so that's it. That's my updated craft space. I'm loving it. And I've made some cards. I had an order for a bunch of different cards, and I made them right here in this space. And yeah, it's good. It's working out really good. So I'll just give a quick overview. My beautiful front windows. Yeah, love my space so much. I'm so grateful. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hey, if there's any like specific areas that you would like to see in detail, I'd be more than happy to do a video on it. Just leave me a comment down below. Thank you for those that are subscribed. Just leave me a comment so I can come find your channel. I hope you guys all have a crafty day. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.